Hey, what's up, YouTube and TikTok? So I saw this video and I was laughing my balls off, and I wanted to share it with you. So let's
Tiger
go.
Data, who I teamed up with for this video. Now that said, you can play around with this completely for free, and it's genuinely one of the coolest things that I've seen, hence why I'm making
If I was shilling for a product and got paid for it, I would say it's the coolest thing ever too.
the video. Now essentially the way to be able to make a safe copy of your database you can work with, mess with, without messing up the production database or even making changes to maybe a development environment if you have a lot of mock data there. So this allows you to instantly fork the entire database. You can fork literally 1 terabyte in under 2 seconds.
Dude, we have 17 gigabytes per second SSD array. I think it's like some of the fastest SSDs that we have on NVMe arrays. And that's like 2 minutes tops, dude. There's no way you can copy 2 terabytes and clone a fucking database in 2 seconds. Not with the hardware that we have right now. What the fuck? Can people watch this shit and believe this?
As well as that, it has vector search built in. It's actually a kind of a post.
Dude, vector search has been around for like 30 years. Like
Cursor here, I've connected to the Tiger MCP server, and simply by doing that, I now have the ability to directly modify my database using.
You can log in on adminer.php or phpMyAdmin or any type of SQL development thing, and you can modify your database whenever the hell you want.
You know, database tables in
Database
my
tables.
I don't know, app or in my database using the MCP tools. Okay, now when I do that, this should indicate to the agent that it should call the available tools. So it's going to go through the planning here. It sees it has access to these various tools, and then it's going to start calling them. So you can see here that it's now running all of these different database operations. It's running various queries, and essentially
You can log in on Adminer or any SQL thing, and you can see all of your tables right here nicely displayed, and you can even look at the data, show the structure, and then you can even go to the table and look at the database schema. phpMyAdmin has a way more beautiful one than adminer.php, but it's all right there already.
fork this database using MCP tools and give me
all that out.
the new connection details. Okay, so that's going to take a second. It's just going to figure out the correct tools to call.
So you're gonna write all that out, wait for the program to process all that stuff, when you could just write out MySQL dump old database, new database, pipe operator, or whatever the fucking command is. What the fuck, dude?
Fork itself only takes about 2 seconds.
Yeah, it only takes about 2 seconds because it's not an actual clone of the database that you said in the beginning of the video with 1 terabyte of data. That's a bullshit claim from this company that you're working with. It's all jiggery pokery.
Those lines, they can test within this fork where it's safe and we're not going to touch the original data. And then
So a dummy database? What? That's been around for fucking years.
so if you go to the link in the description, you can get a free trial. You can create a version of the
Oh, no, I'm good. I'd rather set up a WAMP server on Linux or something than whatever fucking horse shit this is. So for this, he sets up a new database connection, and he starts at like
the
5
Tiger
minutes,
Cloud.
and it takes
So from here, I'm going to go to new service. As you see, I'm on
almost
this page.
a little bit over 5
MCP
minutes to
tool.
get to set it all up when it can be done in a couple seconds.
A bunch of sample data to this
shit.
database. I want fake users, fake comments, fake posts, and fake amounts of likes. Let's go with 200 or 300 fake entries. Use the MCP tools. Do not write any code. Just use the MCP tools to add this data. Okay, so I'm just doing that with a tool called
Pretty good
Whisperflow there. I'm going to go ahead and press
Now it's gonna
enter.
parse
And now
all
because
that.
the MCP server is connected, I'm asking it to, okay, go, make a bunch.
Dude, just create 3 loops in Python for the users table, the post table, and just do an insert query. And use like random to like put in like random shit. There's no need for this. You could fucking write that out faster than the prompt. And he's still
Okay, so for some reason it was telling me, hey, like the app's not using Postgres, it's using SQLite, which is wrong. So I just told it, yeah, like we're using Postgres already, so don't worry. And now it's running the
You
various
had to
commands.
tell it that it's using what it's supposed to be using. What the fuck?
Come here, and I just refresh before this. You can see we have all of this information, right? And we have these fake users.
Holy shit, Dave! There's a bunch of sample and fake data on a forum. Oh my god.
Likes. Let's go maybe manage users or something, and let's have a look here. And I think it's going to be a little bit slow because I haven't optimized any of the queries, but we should be able to see a list. and click through them. And then the cool thing is, right, I could test deleting all of these.
So you can highlight multiple checkboxes in an HTML5 table and delete them with MySQL? Oh my god, dude. I can't believe this. This is revolutionary stuff, dude. How do I sign up for this website? Holy shit, Dave.